Hi guys, this is part 3 and in this video we'll be developing our football pong game further. So let's show you what we did in part 2. So we added velocity to the ball and make it bounce with top edge, bottom edge, player pedal and computer pedal. In this video, first we will make the computer pedal move and also set animation for the computer pedal and player pedal and ball. So first let me tell you what's random number, which is written here. So random number is a command that has two values. For example, in the first value we'll write 1 and the second value we'll write 100. So what random number will do, that it will choose any number from 1 to 100. It will be any random number. It can be any random number. It can be 22, 23, 56, 94, any random number. So let's make it 4 and 5 for now. The 4 and 5 are the velocity for the computer pedal as shown here. It is y velocity, so it will be moving. Okay, and now other command is set animation. So what set animation do is that it set animation design for the blocks, and we can change the game from blocks to attractive animations. So I'll show you. This is the robot, this is the kit, and this is the football. So let's remove the comment and see what they do. So we can see that the ball is moving and the computer pedal is also moving and the boy is also as it. So now we are gonna add scores so that we can play it and we had a note that how many points we get. So it will make the game more interactive. So outside the function draw, we'll write a command variable x. So we need to give name to x. It will be score. So what it actually did is it scored the score as a variable in computer. So when we'll call it, then it will be shown up here. So let's put it value 0, and we had added scores also. So now we need to display it, means we need to call it. So first let's name it players score, because we also need to display computer score. As we can see here, there are two scores, so sorry for that. So we'll use a command called text, and in string we'll name it as player, and then a plus sign and score, and its position will be somewhere 350 and 60. So now anything we write in double quotes in text command, then it will be displayed, means it will be printed on the screen. And as we had written plus and then score, then next to it the scores will be displayed, which is 0. So let's try it. Oh, what happened? Oh, so just I had made that code wrong. So I'll type it again. Actually, it happens many times in coding, so we need to be careful for that. We'll write again text. Plus q, and then it will be 390 and somewhere okay, and now check it. So we can see here that player score is now defined. So now let's reset and now make it increase at a specific command. So we'll use if position. So specific command means, for example, if ball goes from the side of that computer pedal, then score will be increased by 1, like that. So we'll use ball dot y. If it's greater than 0 means negative value, because it is left, so it will be negative value. Greater than 0. And then the score will be score plus 1. Means, for example, if score is 0, then it will be 0 plus 1, and then 0 plus 2, and then 0 plus 3. Score plus 1. Okay, now let's see. Actually, it will be a very big bug because one command we had not tried. So let me show you what happens. So did you saw that the player score is increasing continuously, because as if it is moving from the positive to negatives, then the score will be keep increasing forever. So now let's make that one more command which I talked about. So we'll use reset function. Actually, it's not any function, I have designed it. You can also design it by just typing any name whichever you like, and then two closing bracket and then one semicolon, and after function draw, so we had written that function reset, we had written ball dot y equals 200 and ball dot x will also be 200. So now let's run and see. So we can see that the player score becomes 1 when it goes out of the screen from the computer pedal side. Okay, so this is part 3, and in the part 4 we'll develop this game more further. Till then, take care and please subscribe to our channel.